When you're analyzing your transcription factor binding sites in your genes or in your promoters of your genes, you might be coming across with many free tools which can do that. But if you are really doing a serious research, you need something better. You need TRANSFAC. Why TRANSFAC? Well, first, TRANSFAC is actually manually curated, and every single entry in TRANSFAC is manually and carefully curated based on experimental evidences. Second, it has a number of tools which not just a simple site search. These tools are created to find combination of sites which are specific for particular tissue or other types of expression of the genes. And they are not just a simple site search tools. They have a bit of machine learning involved and a bit of artificial intelligence to make it better and to make it more exact. And yeah, many of our customers actually choose to use TRANSFAC in their research because it's simply very reliable. And actually, TRANSFAC is also important because it's not just a database of binding sites and transcription factors. It combines many things. First, it's connected to signal transduction network. It's one of the biggest actually network which were manually curated in our database called TransPass. And when you find your transcription factors which are regulating your genes, the next question is who is regulating those transcription factors? So you have to go upstream to find master regulators in that signal transduction network. And moreover, when you find your signal transduction network, which is regulating your process, and even find the master regulators, next step would be to understand, is this pathway is actually a core mechanism of a disease in which you study, and which of the master regulators could be actually drug targets or biomarkers. So all these things together is not just a database of transcription factors, it's actually an ecosystem to analyze your gene regulation and to understand pathways, a bigger context to actually reveal disease mechanisms, to find drug targets and biomarkers. Actually, we split TRANSFAC into 3 packages. It's called TRANSFAC Basic, TRANSFAC Pathways, and TRANSFAC Diseases. So if you're just interested in site search and analysis of your promoters, or maybe a promoter design, you choose TRANSFAC Basic. If you are interested in the bigger picture to understand how your genes are regulated in cellular contacts in particular tissues, you choose TRANSFAC Pathways. If you are from medical studies, if you are interested in disease mechanism, you choose TRANSFAC Diseases. And this week we actually releasing a very good discounts for you. It's literally doubling your benefits. Just go down, under the video and click on that link if you are interested in that, offer. And otherwise, stay with us and good discovery. Goodbye.